think you're both introduced to the low-code Mendix world via Timeseries. Is that correct? Certainly yourself, Eric. You're using. Romy, is that your introduction into the world of Mendix?
No. I started my career at Capgemini, so that was my introduction. But you know, at Inaxis, we currently have some Timeseries employees as external resources. So,
okay.
Yes, I am familiar with the company.
And are either of you using their? I think they call them templates. Is that right? And perhaps you'd like to, if you are, perhaps you'd like to just share some experiences around those templates. Have they been beneficial to you? Have they jumpstart helped you?
We actually use one of their templates. It's a planning engine. It's and that has really helped one of the projects we are currently doing.
Yeah.
We had a planning engine. So we had a current solution that required a massive, costly upgrade. The solution itself wasn't target architecture, and so the combination of not being target architecture and requiring a costly upgrade, that sparked the discussion. Okay, what are we going to do with this application?
Mm-hmm.
We looked at. It became one of the projects that we picked up at the rapid product development team, and we use Timeseries planning engine to schedule people who will go to our customers and record the values of the electricity meters.
Right.
So yeah, this is a very specific piece of functionality. Always would require some external resources or external applications to fulfill that capability.
Yep.
Timeseries had this in their portfolio. The Timeseries resources we had experience with that, and so it was a really smooth implementation.
Fantastic. And Eric, you've mentioned Timeseries a couple of times actually. What might you like to add about either the templates or them as an organization?
We have some different devices which they have developed. So this is a device which is being used by all these mooring men, and we have 300 of them, and they are working, as I said, in the port. So they can easily check all this planning of vessels. They can see which vessel they are involved, and it's very, let's say, easy to use for them, and they have all the information they want, and it's endless. So they know the location, they know the size of the vessel, they know the configuration, how to move this vessel. They have all these details, all this data, and they are combined in a platform, in this template we are using. Besides, we have a huge innovations. It's called short tension, and that's a system which is absorbing the energy coming from the mooring lines by big vessels, which avoid them for breaking loose of their berthing place. And a Timeseries created for us a template, an application, how where you can check the pressure of the system, and you can make a pre-alarm. There is a pre-alarm inside, and you can combine it with the captain of the vessel, with the terminals. So this gives so much progress for us, and we are now working to create smart bullets, expected time of arrivals with vessels, and so on and so on. So, yeah, as I said, endless. So and because the end users of these applications, they have many ideas and they have many suggestions, and they bring it in to Timeseries, and they created some good templates for these new ideas. The only negative thing is that we become, how do you say, so connected to them,
yeah,
that now one of those programmers is already in our company for 1.5 years.
Well, you know, these kind of things happen, don't they? But I'm sure they're adding value. Otherwise,
Yeah,
they
of
wouldn't
course,
be there.
of course.
Yeah.
Now we are very positive, and yeah, we make so much progress thanks to them. So that's the reason why we won't let them go. So let's move on.
I'm sure they'd be pleased to hear that.
Yeah, for sure. So now we are satisfied. Yeah.